Working in teams are very easy in this company because all of workers we have the same idea to development the skills and the process. Challenging, sometimes we have very challenging situations in special when we have a problem and we don't know how to solve them, but always it's very good to solve them. Working in a good reputations company, I feel that that I am in the best, in the top of the industry. So I think it is. The atmosphere is very good. It's very peaceful. So I don't have problem with it.
How can coworkers be encouraged to help each other?
All of them help to each other. When you are new in the company, all of my workers help me, all of explain me, so it is a good factor.